Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a little while since I've made a video. My little gentleman friend is sitting here next to me. My little prince. Okay, Cosmo. Lick, 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 lick. Oh my goodness gracious me. And this is why I have no bow in my ties. Come here. Come here, mister. Mister, he's getting a little bit bigger. Yep, and he likes these things. And I know I shouldn't let him play with it, but chew on it, but they sure are cute. Oh, he likes my ear and my hair. He likes the chewing. Here, let's face the camera. Look over here. Hey, right there. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, let me go on the table, Mom. Ooh, let me get on there. I can have fun with all that stuff. All right, buddy. Ooh, there we go. Okay, you be a good boy. So, welcome to my channel again. Excuse me. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for coming, and thank you for returning, and thank you for new people that are watching, and possibly, hopefully, you'll subscribe. If not, you'll like the video. And I have some things for you here today. Let's do, where are we? Okay. Do those fun things last. Oh, there's more things in there. Yeah. Oh, he likes the plastic. Oh, first off, and I haven't tried this yet, is a phone case that I got, and it was how much? $5.48 for my phone, and I thought that was pretty good. It's plastic, and yes, I do like that they have grabber ridges on the side, because this is hard to grab. What are you doing? Sir poops a lot. Yeah, you know, don't take my paper, don't take my pen, no. So this I thought was cool because it did have this built-in either phone stand or like holder with the grippers, so I don't drop my phone so much. And I have a Galaxy, I think it's the S22 Ultra. I forget. Yeah, S22 Ultra. It actually has it written in there, or impressed in there. I don't know if you can see that. There, S22U. That's cool. I can't show you on my phone because my phone is recording. So, yeah, chew away. Chew on the side of the basket. That's good. So, I think I told you this was $5.48, and I thought that was pretty decent, and I like the pink color. And I believe they had other colors too, but the pink stood out. And actually, that looked kind of metallic on the pictures, but I guess if you turn it a certain way, it does kind of look like it, but it's pretty much just a solid pink. I guess it does kind of have a sheen. Yeah, okay. That was for me. All right, and then I bought two of these. I thought I only bought one. Don't know why I bought two. It is a beaded Valentine's garland. And they were $3.07 each. And I just thought they were super pretty with those heart-shaped beads in there. Isn't that cool? I like those. And $3.07, you'd buy these somewhere else and it would be a lot more. And it's only like, probably not even, just under, probably under 3 feet long. You're not going to fall if you keep doing that. Yeah, lick the table. Don't chew on it. Yeah, no, don't chew on it. So, there. And I bought two of those. And these were $3.07 each. So, I'm sure one was to give away, and maybe I was going to use the other one. Not sure. I forget. But, anyway, that's what I did. It's done. I ain't sent it back, so, I mean, I guess I could, but I don't want to do that. Okay. And then this, I believe, yeah, that's a spatula. Get your paws off the table, dude. Dude. Too bad you can't see him. Yeah, you're going to topple out of that thing. He's getting very curious about things. And he's still in his little basket here. Yeah, I moved that, didn't I? Yeah. Still in his basket, just looking around. I better not drop this thing. It's kind of side heavy. Too bad I couldn't put him right here. I could, but he'd be getting everything, wouldn't you? Yeah, you'd like to lick my chin, play with my strings. Oh, you even play with the leash? You always carry it out. So when I let him out and run around, I leave him like with a leash on him. So if he runs somewhere, he is faster than me. And if I want to try to catch him, sometimes I start getting a little bit closer and I start stepping on the leash and walk my way up. No, don't take my pen. No. No. No, no pen, buddy. I didn't bring your Chewy, did I? No, I didn't. Chew on that. There you go. So it's really cute. Back to my story. When he's in his little pen, and I reach over and I clip the leash onto him, and I hold the other end, and I open up the gate. Before he walks out, he kind of grabs part of the leash and just hops on out like he's so proud of that leash, like he's carrying it out. He doesn't have to. It'll drag behind him, but I don't want to tell him that because, you know, it'll break his little heart. He brings me great joy. Oh, yes. Okay, it's a smaller one than I expected. And it was $2.48. But, no, you cannot chew on this. There we go. And it's got, oh, that's just a piece of paper. It's got the wooden handle. And they did come with other patterns on it. And I believe it is silicone. It's nice and flexible. And it's cute. I like this size. I have a couple that people have given me. And I like the size. I forget what I use it for. Many different things. So that's not bad. And $2.48, that'd be cute. Cute in like a little pot holder. And if you want to give a little gift, I'm going to keep this covered. Let's put it back in the plastic. Yeah, that could be like part of the gift, which I think this is going to be. So, and that'll be kind of cute. With like the beads kind of hung around. I'm going to give that to him. Nope, 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 nope. So spatula, $2.48. Here we go. What else do we have here? Oh, yes. Got some things. There's another one in here. So I ordered two. Yes. Okay. Now the one doesn't come on a cardboard, but this one does. So these are like glass bead bracelets, and they're $2.69 for each set of like 4. And I thought these were pretty. And for like $2.69, oh my gosh, look at those. And they have the hearts on them, so they'd be really pretty for Valentine's Day. Or Galentine's Day, whatever you happen to celebrate. Anybody else here at Galentine's Day? I've been hearing that this past couple years. No, I know you want to run after a big dog. But isn't that pretty? I guess you don't have to have that. It's just as fashion jewelry. So isn't that pretty? There's a little tree in there. A little tree with little squirrels, I guess. Little swirlies. But I thought those beads were pretty. And they come in different colors. There's that color set. And there, get out of that. Ah! This, dude, it's this way. Sorry, I am a little distracted because little yo-yo here doesn't, don't be looking at him, Toby. Yeah, no. I'll let you play with him when I get down so I can watch you guys. And I put your leash on you. Don't do it. No. Get you focused over here again. Okay. And then the other one were red. And they each have... Oh, this is kind of just together that way. But they do each have... Do they all have? Yep, they each have like the... God, if I can get that. The hearts on them. They do each have it. They're just not turned around here. See the top one middle one, and I know that other one has it somewhere. Okay, but anyway, they all have the hearts on it. Maybe not. 1, 2, 3. Maybe only 3 of them do. That one doesn't. Well, I'm mistaken. 3 of them have it on here. Okay. But they're still pretty, and you wear them together. This one is really pretty for Valentine's Day. And they are stretch bracelets. So I thought those were pretty for $2.69 a set. Nice. Have you calmed down a little bit here, dude? And then, let's see what else is in the bag. Oh, Christmas came, and I found I did not have like little serving spreader knives, butter knives. Ow! Ah. I'm sorry for that sound. Not my chew toy. Not your chew toy. Oh, don't look so innocent. So, I bought some generic little, like, spreaders, kitchen spreaders. Butter knives, whatever they want to call them. And these were, there's 6 of them in there. And, oh, sorry. There they are, just wooden things. And let's see, these were $3.48 for all 6 of them. And if you really wanted to, those handles, I bet you could paint them and then put a protectant over them to kind of jazz them up a little bit. Make them for holidays or whatever. So hopefully they are pretty secure in there. I don't want to pull them out just yet. But yeah, that's an idea. And for like, what did I say they were? Where is it? Where is it? $3.48. Not a bad deal. So I was looking for something that was inexpensive. Okay, let's put all the plastic in there. Okay. And then we're coming up to what I have in the thumbnail is a heated butter knife, which is what I started looking, well, I started looking for the other ones. And then I think I found this because I put in butter knife, or I was looking for this one and I found butter knife. But this is bigger than I thought it would be. It is a recharge. Crap. So it comes in a nice box. It has a little pamphlet for it, which does tell you how to use it, a little USB recharge cord, and then the knife itself. So here's the butter knife. This I think is used to make little butter curls with, if you scrape that across your butter. Did you poot again? You sure stink for a little guy. Dang. So yeah, I don't think it's like dishwasher safe, but it does have a covering over the little charge port that you plug into. And then this, okay, you have to press it and hold it, and it'll turn on, and it gets green when it's kind of like a lower temp. And this puppy gets hot. And then if you want a higher heat, you can press it, and that means it's higher. So to turn it on and off, you have to hold it. Okay. Okay, green. And actually, it takes mere seconds to get this heated. Yeah, I'm not gonna let you have this because this is getting kind of warm, dude. Yeah, getting kind of warm. See the other end of that? Yeah. No, no, you little bitey thing, you. You're so cute, though. Yeah. So, yeah. So this gets pretty warm on the lower temp. It is warm to go through butter. I can still touch it. When you put it to the hot, yeah, it's starting to get warmer already. Yep, it's getting hot to where, yeah, I don't want to touch it anymore. But, yeah, that's my knife. Actually, I bought this for my husband because that's how big it is. Because he's always complaining about the butter being too cold and you can't spread it. So I'm going to tell him this: you don't put in the butter dish to get the butter. You use the butter knife, put it on your bread, and then use this to spread it. Well, because that would be better than trying to put this in there. And then we wind up with a puddle of butter in the butter dish. I can only foresee that happening in my mind. And I'm going to wait to put this away. But there's that. And what does it say on the thing? Caution, hot surface. Well, duh. It's a heated butter knife. And I think it's stainless, if I'm not mistaken. I wonder, that's to make butter curls with, but I bet you, I wonder you could hang that like in the kitchen too, I would think. Yep, not gonna put that back in there yet. No, that's not. I'm gonna move this away from my little prince over here. Yo. I don't know where to put that. Hey. Cutie patootie. Get your little butt down. Oh, the heated butter knife was $16, or actually I think I paid a little bit more, but it is currently $16.39 on the website. And I will put all the links to these items in the description box below. I know, you gotta kind of come down here, baby. You did the other day, you were calm. Yes. This is why I can't make too many videos, because he wears me thin. He is cute, and I don't mind. I have to watch him when he's down and out of his pen. Down out of this or off my lap, which he likes being on my lap quite a bit. He's a mama's boy. Oh my goodness, I didn't bring something to open this with. I don't even know where the edge is. There's no... Whoa, buddy. I'm going to slide right off of that. Here. There. There. I know you like to be on my lap. Yeah, I can't tell, like, where the seam is to open this. It's right there. Can't tell. Oh, my Lanta. Hey. Okay. You. Calm it down, dude. Let's see if that's it. Ah, okay. I am having styrofoam all over the place, and I'm going to have to make sure you... I'm sorry for that sound. That must be really loud, and I really do apologize for that. Okay. That's a little better, huh? You're wondering what this is, don't you? Aren't you? That noise? What is that noise, Mama? It's loud. It's really loud, Mama. Did that with a pen. Now watch the pen not want to work. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I've got styrofoam because I busted it a little bit, and I got to make sure I pick it up. Okay. So it's like a box, and I couldn't see that piece in there because it was taped over. And these are some cute little dishes. Let's see. I am going to get rid of this styrofoam. You know, you're going to push yourself right off the chair. Yeah, you are. I don't want you to. No, I don't want you to. Oh, my Lanta. I thought I was going to bring scissors, but I didn't. Yeah, I didn't bring scissors. What's Mama thinking? Not much. Mama's keeping her eye on you. That's why she can't think anymore. Dude. So, finally. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, let me get this styrofoam under control a little bit, because it's like static electricity is pulling it all over the place. So if I just push it back into the box there. Hi. Why do you like my armpit? He does. Oh no, come on. In the box. I'm talking to the styrofoam, not the dog. Okay, I'm gonna have to get the, that's it, it's on the floor, but I'm gonna have to get the vacuum before you get down there. Okay. Now that I have it out of the box, they've packed it pretty damn good. Are these two little bowls. They say they're 5 inches across, 5 something, yeah, probably 5 inches across. They're little ceramic, and there's 2 of them like this. Get out of my armpit, man, man. I don't know if you saw that or not, but he kind of started tickling me. So there are 2 of them. And they're just really cute. Like if you have a little ice cream or something, you can serve it. They're small. You want to see it? Be good for food? Yeah, he thinks it would make a good food bowl for him. But you'd flip it. So, nice little, it's not real big. So, but they are ceramic. And I just thought those were cute. Oh, and the cost of these. The bowls, they were $7.59 for 2. And I think they had other sizes and other sets, I think. Different size sets. But I got these because they're because you can use ice cream. You can use them like as a trinket bowl. Put them by the sink to put your rings in when you do dishes or wash things. So I just thought they were cute and a cute size. And I'm going to put that between them. And then put them where they won't, like, not under my arm again. Dude. Yes, I know. I'm good. Hard to keep a good dog down. And the last, which cost me $7.19. And I don't even have a thing to put this on, but I saw it and I bought it, and it's a little bracelet charm. Yes, it is. Kind of looks like you. And I wish I could, oh, here we go. What I do. Can I put that on my pen end? No. Darn it. Okay. Very, without tossing it somewhere, there is the little charm. Got the hole on the side, and I kind of think it's like a Pandora bracelet charm type thing. No, it doesn't fit on that either. I'm trying to show it to you a little bit better. Maybe that's better. See? Oh. Isn't that cute? And you can see a better picture of it on the website and the link. I'm sorry, I'm moving it too. But I thought that was cute. And since then, I have bought a, oh, and I am going to put this in the bag so I keep track of it. A bracelet. A bracelet will be coming to put that on, because I don't have like one of those bracelets for those kind of charms. And $7.19. That was costing me $7.19. $7.19. Sorry, I'm distracted. And I think that's all on this haul for you. And I'm sorry I was distracted. But hey, I think I will leave you with a really cute picture at the end here. And if you turn your volume up to hear it, it's when the little guy was sleeping on my lap. You'll be able to see him or hear him make the little sucking noises. And then I finally turned the TV down because the TV was up, and then I turned it down. But the clicking in the beginning is him. And it was just, it took me by surprise. I was like, oh, he's my little baby. So with that, I will wind it up And the video will be coming after that. There's not going to be any sound other than the video sound itself. So until next time, bye.
Hi, I'm David, and I lost